Biggest fan of these already pre-made salads because I use them as a base and then I add my protein to it, right? So super cool. I put probably about like half the bag in there. As you can see, and this container is not too big either. So we also have to this, I'm gonna add some garbanzo beans, and these I just bought at Trader Joe's, nothing crazy. Put some beans on top. Love them. Yeah. So that's what we have so far. And then it also comes with some wontons and some almonds. So I think that sounds good for tomorrow. So we're gonna get some almonds and some wontons in there. I do not put any like dressing in it, so I'll just like carry this around, or I'll substitute it for one of my other ones. And then we also grilled some chicken. So that's already made, and so we're going to use kitchen scissors, and we are just going to chop up some protein right on top. Super simple, and this chicken I made for lunch today, and so that's how cooking works, right? You get leftovers, and it's cool, so you have food for the next day. Cool. It's lit. Put those away, and now you have like a whole salad that I'm gonna enjoy tomorrow.